Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the Multi-Lift Personal Transfer Lift System shown for use with the PIR mount in a Honda Odyssey 2011 through 2017. The Multi-Lift, as you may know, is a multiple-purpose lift designed around the unique concept that one lift can take care of all of your lifting and transferring problems. So the same Multi-Lift that allows you to transfer your wheelchair into and out of your vehicle could also be used to lift a user into the front of the vehicle. It can be used in your home to lift you into and out of your bathtub, hot tub, swimming pool, RV, SUV, wheelchair, or person. We're probably able to help you accomplish it with the multi-lift system. So now we're using the multi-lift to transfer this wheelchair into the back of this vehicle. Once we get up over the sill, we're going to rotate right in. Now bear in mind this is a cordless unit and we have not drilled any holes into this vehicle in order to accomplish this. Once we get in the proper position, we lower the unit. Now this unit comes with some tie downs to keep the wheelchair in place while the vehicle is in motion. These are not regular tie downs meant for occupant use, only to help you secure the vehicle while it is in motion. These are just non-occupant restraints. Many companies don't have this type of thing, but this is built into our system. Again, it is not an occupant system, so it's not made for use while the vehicle, there's an occupant in the wheelchair. Okay, now the multi-lift can be completely dismantled. Okay, so you can take the pieces off. You can also, if you've got the right setup from Access Unlimited, stow the unit in the area adjacent to the wheelchair simply by using the existing tie down. And again, this may not be supplied with your particular unit. Okay. Now, of course, you do want to make sure that the safety pins are in place to keep that lift in place. And this may not be located near where there is a person. So if you do have a person in that area, in the rear cargo area, you can't use this type of setup. Okay, these would need to be stowed separately in the equipment compartment. But there you have it. Putting your multi-lift, using your multi-lift system to lift a wheelchair into the rear of a Honda Odyssey. If you'd like to learn more about our company and our products, we would strongly encourage you to like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. We're on YouTube with nearly 4,000 videos at youtube.com/accessun. You can follow us on Twitter at accessun, Instagram, Access Unlimited, Pinterest, Access Unlimited, 2 words. And you can also contact us on our website at www.accessunlimited.com. And you can give us a call the old-fashioned way at 1-607-669-4822. Evenings and weekends are no problem at 1-615-873-0518. Thank you so much for checking out our video. Please check the other detailed videos in the notes field down below for more information about this particular application and how it works. Have a great day. Thank you.